Hey guys, it's Dose of Des here, and I am back with another review. If you guys haven't guessed it or read the description of the video, I'm doing my full try-on of the Nyma Tang Dose of Colors collab collection. I don't know, I'm just stringing words together. So yeah, I'm gonna try them on camera and show you guys what it looks like on my skin. You know, I'm a chocolate girl, so I had to stand for this collection. Like, come on now. Like, I've been searching all over for a very deep chocolate nude, and there's only like 3 companies that made it. I know Milk Cosmetics, I bought one from them. I got something close to it from Fenty and another one from Natasha Denona. Those are the only 3 that have like a deep chocolate. A lot of the chocolates from other makeup companies, they just don't go deep enough. They just stop. It's like, ooh, it's too dark, and I just feel like they might think it might not be marketable, or it might not sell. But girl, like, the girls are waiting, and Nyma delivered. So I'm done talking. Let's go ahead and try on these lipsticks. So I showed in my last video, I have the lipstick in Penny, I have the chocolate chip lip liner, I have the Stay Glossy Stay in Egen, and the matte liquid lipstick in Like to See It. So I'm going to try the lipstick first and match it with the lip liner. Ooh, I do like to overline my lips, so I might do that today. So that is the lip liner. It's almost black, but not really. It's not black. You could definitely see the little tinge of brown, but it's really dark, but it's still ship hopping. I don't know why I said that. I've been watching Bad Girls Club. If you watch Bad Girls Club and you know where ship hopping is from, comment down below and let me know who said it. All right, let's go and put on the lipstick in Penny. The lipstick almost matches my natural lip color, but I can't walk around like this. So I'm gonna try and blend it in a little bit. So this is the lipstick and the lip liner together. I'm trying my best to blend it in. I think that's pretty blended. I did bring the color up on my, I did over exaggerate my lips, so make sure I bring the lipstick up there as well. The lipstick is very smooth. It's like butter. Girl, with it blended, this is cute. This is giving what it's supposed to give. Okay. It really like mutes my lips, but also like the liner helps and it doesn't make me look ashy. Like, I think if I put Penny on by itself, I would look like a crackhead, but having the liner and mixing it in, I think really helps a lot. I think this is dope. So I'm gonna zoom in. I like it. I really like it. So now that I have the lipstick on, I'm gonna put the lip gloss on top. And this is the lip gloss in Egen. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Very chocolate. It looks like chocolate pudding. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on top of the lipstick. Oh, girl. Okay. The lip gloss on top of the lipstick. I just look like a chocolate Barbie. I look, oh my God. Look at my lips. Look at my lips. I don't have big lips. I inherit that from my family. Like, my lips are not big. That's why I overdraw them. They're like pretty normal Black person size. Like, they're not like super big and juicy. In my opinion, I feel like they're not that big. they're just pretty normal. They're average. They're not super small. They're not super big. They're just kind of average to me. And this lip gloss like makes my lips look juicy. I always have trouble like making my lips look, you know, engorged and juicy, because like I feel like as a Black person I should have big juicy lips, but I don't know what happened in the gene pool where I didn't get that. But this lip gloss, get into it. So I'm gonna zoom this so y'all can see. Oh my God. I like this combination. I think I've worn Penny like once, but I haven't worn the lip gloss, and the lip gloss is making me look juicy, girl. And it sucks that we're wearing like masks now, so nobody can really see my lip gloss. So like lip gloss, I don't even know why I've bought lip gloss in the past year, because it's like we're wearing masks all the time, so what's the point? But when we're finally at the point where we can take our mask off, this is gonna be poppin'. All right, I'm gonna wipe off the lip gloss, and then we're gonna get into that matte lipstick. Honey, I can't wait to try it. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so I cleared my lip gloss off, and I took a little bit of the lip liner off, so I'm gonna put the chocolate chip lip liner back on my lips. So now I can try the Like to See It matte lip gloss. Excuse my nails, I've been putting on makeup, so there's like darkness under my nails, which is like foundation and all that crap, but it's okay. I'm gonna clean them afterwards. So this is the lipstick. Very, very dark, very juicy. It doesn't give me chocolate pudding like the lip gloss. This just gives me, I don't know, just like dark chocolate, like that 70-80% dark chocolate. That's what it's giving. So I'm gonna shut up and put this on. All right, so the lip gloss, or excuse me, the lipstick is on my lips. It's shiny right now, but it is matte, so that means in a couple minutes it's gonna dry down to a matte finish. So I'm just gonna let it dry down. All right, so the lipstick has dried down. It's matte, but it's movable. Like I can still, excuse me, as you can see, I can still talk, like my lips can still move or whatever. Yeah, it's chocolate. It's not giving me any red undertones. It's giving me like a deep brown chocolate. And this is ideal for masks these days. Like you can't wear lip gloss under a mask. You can't wear lipstick under a mask. Like I tried to wear a mask, and I think I had like blue lip gloss on. I don't know. And by the time I took the mask off, like the lipstick or whatever was all over my makeup. It was just a mess. So matte lipstick is the way to go during this whole pandemic that we're wearing masks. And this, I'm gonna try and see if it comes off. So there's a little bit on my fingers. I think that is the lip liner. Let me try it on another hand. Let me just try the lipstick. Excuse my fingers. Virtually no color is coming off. Not really. So you could definitely wear this under a mask. Ooh, definitely wear this under a mask. It's cute. It's cute. I don't know if I would wear it in the summer, but me, I wear anything, anytime, any day, any place. I don't really care. There's no rules to makeup. If I want to wear this vampy, dark chocolate lipstick in the middle of July, I will. And nobody's going to say anything to me, girl. Anyway, though, this is cute. I think if my lips were a little bit more moisturized, I would have like a better effect with the lip gloss. I mean, with the lipstick. You always want to make sure your lips are moisturized before putting on a matte lipstick, because if you have any rusty crusties living on your lips, the lipstick will attach to it, and it will accentuate that crusty dusty on your lips. So make sure your lips are moisturized before you put this on. My lips were like mildly moisturized, but if they had been like really like saturated overnight with Vaseline and stuff, my lips would be popping right now. They would be perfect, but so far so good. I love this. I love what it's giving. This is the perfect black chocolate that I've been looking for. And I'm happy. Like, this is dope. Nyma did her thing with this, and I'm so happy that Dose of Colors gave her the opportunity to do this and show a nude for Black girls. Like, nude has always, growing up, nude has always been beige. Whenever I'm looking for anything nude, it's given to me in this beige Band-Aid color. And I'm just like, girl, nude for me should look like how I'm looking right now. Even though I'm not nude, I do have a top on. But like, I want my nude to match me. And I think Nyma did such a good job. I'm sure this nude matches her on her skin tone. But like, this is just like perfect, like, ooh, it's something about a Black girl in deep chocolate lipstick. It's just so nostalgic, so 90s, so like punk, like vampy. Ugh, it's just, ugh, I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So that's all I have today. I'm about to record some other things, but I just want to get on here real quick and show you guys. Finally, I know I'm an accountant, if you guys don't know. So I have been so busy these past couple months. Like, it's never really any downtime for me to like sit and process my videos and edit my videos and do and upload. I'm just always swamped with work. So I do YouTube in the free time to like, you know, help me get out of like the accounting bubble and just do things that I like. So please bear with me. I wish YouTube was my full-time job so I could knock out these videos one after one. But you know, my real job that pays my bills, I gotta cater to that one first before I come to YouTube. So thank you guys for bearing with me. I know I posted the unboxing a couple weeks ago, maybe in a month and some change ago. I really don't remember, but like, thank y'all for watching this video. I'm trying to keep up and follow up with videos that I have part ones, and I need to follow up with a part two too. There are some videos out there that I need to follow up with, but I'm trying my best. I really am. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will be back with another video soon talking about who knows what, makeup, fashion, who knows, we'll see. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.